YouTube, it's huge. Everyone's watching. Why? People crave connection, they want entertainment, and they want information fast. YouTube delivers. Ever bought something based on a YouTube review? You're not alone. Product reviews are huge on YouTube. Viewers get real opinions. They see products in action. It's like having a friend tell you what to buy. Want to make product reviews? Be honest. Be detailed. Show the product from all angles. Show it working. People like Marks Brownlee get it right. High-quality, in-depth reviews. That's the key. Thinking about adding a catchy jingle to your product reviews? Don't. Keep it real. People want authenticity. Be yourself and the viewers will come. Tutorials are like cheat codes for life. Need to fix a leaky faucet? Learn a new language? YouTube has you covered. Viewers love tutorials because they solve problems. They teach valuable skills. The key to a great tutorial? Clarity. Break down complex tasks into simple steps. Use clear visuals. Be patient with your audience. Think about channels like Khan Academy. They make learning accessible and engaging. Remember, your tutorial doesn't need to be overly complicated. Keep it simple, keep it focused, and deliver value to your viewers. Let's play the world of gaming videos. Gaming videos are more than just entertainment, they're communities. Viewers connect with gamers' personalities. They share the thrill of victory and the agony of defeat. It's like watching a live sporting event, but with more explosions. Want to create gaming content? Be passionate. Let your personality shine through. Interact with your viewers. Ninja and PewDiePie, they're masters of engagement. They built empires by being themselves and loving what they do. Don't be afraid to show off your unique style and commentary. In the world of gaming, personality is everything. Vlogging your life, your story. Vlogs are like video diaries. They offer glimpses into the lives of others. Viewers connect with vloggers on a personal level. They laugh with them. They cry with them. They feel like they're part of the journey. The key to a successful vlog? Authenticity. Be yourself. Share your passions. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Casey Neistat changed the game by being real and relatable. He showed that everyday life can be captivating. Remember, your story is unique. Share it with the world, and you'll be surprised by the connections you make. These 4 content types are just the tip of the iceberg. YouTube is a platform for creativity. Experiment, find your voice. And most importantly, have fun. You never know, you might just become the next YouTube sensation. And that's the hustle.